My name is Professor Martin Widschwendter. I am the head of the Women's Cancer Department at the University College London, and I also direct the Translational Research Centre within the department. Our main focus is on the early pathways of women-specific cancers, so breast, ovarian, endometrial, cervical and vulval cancer. What our main focus is to first understand why women develop one of those 5 cancers. Second, we would like to identify women who are at high risk to develop such cancers in order for them to get the cancer prevented in the first place. And the fourth intention of our research group is to early diagnose those cancers which we can't prevent. So we have 4 major programs within the department who are largely funded by the European Union, by our charity, the IFAPELE, as well as the National Institute of Health Research, the Biomedical Research Center here at UCLH. The biggest program that we run is called 4C, and 4C aims to develop tests that allow to predict the risk for women's cancer purely based on the molecular assessment of cervical smears. So in short, we would like to develop a test that allows us to predict, for instance, breast cancer purely on the assessment of a cervical smear sample, and the main focus on these molecular tests is on the epigenome, which is the program of our cells. So this is the 4C program aiming to predict the risk for cancer. The second program that we run is called EpiFemCare, and EpiFemCare uses the DNA which is shared from the tumor into the bloodstream in order to detect cancers, in particular breast and ovarian cancer, early before they start to disseminate and form metastases. The third program, which is just about to start, is called Brackett Protect, which is aiming to understand why women with a BRCA1 or 2 mutation develop breast and ovarian cancer. And we take a holistic approach looking at a variety of different factors, including immune factors, the endocrine factors, so hormonal factors, as well as other factors, which includes the gut microbiome, so bacteria in the guts, in the oral cavity and in the vagina. So this Brackett Protect research project is largely funded by the European Research Council and aims to understand why women develop cancer, and that information will then be used within the project which is called Brackett Prevent, which basically aims to target those factors which we have identified in Brackett Protect to be causative for the development of breast and ovarian cancer in women who carry one of these faulty genes called BRCA1 or BRCA2.